Now we are moving to how the star is created, how star is occurring inside the stones. We need to understand very well this. So carefully listen to this. Light rays are coming perpendicular to the rutile. These are the rutile needles, rutile needle-like rutile lines. All the lines are parallel. These are inside the gemstone. Layers of rutile fibers lying parallel to each other like needles inside the stone. The stone consists only one parallel layer. Then perpendicular to this parallel layer, light rays are coming. Then see what's happening. When the light comes perpendicular to this surface, when we can see the light like this line, this is the line created by the physics. It is called moving catseye effect or Chatoyancy. Moving catseye effect is this because of these parallel rays and these parallel fiber rutiles layers. Then this is called catseye effect or Chatoyancy. These are the needle-like rutile fiber. It consists of titanium oxide, TiO2, titanium oxide fiber. Because of this titanium oxide fiber, this moving catseye effect is occurring. When we move the stone to this side and this side, what is happening is this moving catseye effect is moving this side and this side always. When the arrow shows the directions to move the stone, this string then moves on both sides of the stone while turning the stone. This line is moving this side and this side. So this is the line. So this is called Chatoyancy effect or cat's eye effect. This is the stone chrysoberyl, not the corundum family. This is chrysoberyl family. The next lesson, next part we are learning. I forgot the name of the lesson. This is lesson 2 now. Then 3 or 4, maybe 5, we are learning chrysoberyl. Then cat's eye effect is this. This is the physics we have to understand.